We are Aaron and Aretha Kringle.
And we are inviting you to come mingle with the Kringles.
Hi, diddly ho, neighborinos.
This is Aaron and Aretha, and we are here today at Six Flags. We thought that it was opening day of Oktoberfest. Someone just told us that it started last week, but in the app it says September 16th. So we're going to find out. We don't know if we're here on opening day or not, but we're going to grab the beer tapping ceremony.
We're here for it one way or the other.
Yeah, and we have our kiddo with us so that dad and kid can ride the rides that mom can't ride, or I'll be sick all day. It's nice, cool weather.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's like 72.
72. We're at Discovery Kingdom, Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. And so we're going to get started, and we'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay, so Six Flags Oktoberfest Food Festival. There is a sampler card. Get the best value with your choice of 6 different designated Oktoberfest food items. Visit the festival booth in the main plaza. We went over this menu before we came, but we're pretty excited about a couple of these things. The beer braised bratwurst with caramelized onions. Yum. Beer cheese spatzel? I don't know what that is. German word. Anyways, there's a lot of really good stuff here that we are pretty excited to try. We'll see what we get through. Obviously, there's going to be a couple beers involved. They changed the centerpiece here. I'm going to end up having to do a voiceover because of the music. Oh, they stopped the music. I can talk for a minute. Look at that. The boat and the octopus tentacles. That is so cool. Okay, so they have these little festival guide booths where you can purchase basically your little package. $39.99 for a food and beverage sampler card, and add $10 for your 2 mugs. So we're headed up to check that out. So this is kind of fun, this huge Oktoberfest balloon, and we are headed in to get some brewski. We bought the pass that comes with 6 food items and 2 beer mugs. FYI, your beer mugs, if you buy the pass, with our season pass, it came to like $60. You get 6 food items and then 2 beer mugs, and I know there's a beer stein available. I didn't see it at that booth, and then you get one free round of beer. So we're gonna head in and take advantage of that. We'll show you guys what we get. So at the Oktober Feast location, this is what's available. Beer braised bratwurst with caramelized onions. The prices are there. Beer cheese spatzel with sauteed onions. The prices are there, but we get 6 items with our little. It's well worth it, honestly, to buy the little package. Okay, so here's the gates. We're having a little bit of a fiasco figuring out what we want to try first. So here are the gates to walk into Oktoberfest. Beer tapping ceremony is at 1:15, which we're going to be here for. Live entertainment at 1:45. Festival games at 2:30. And then it starts all over again. So we're going to head in and see what we can find to eat. I mean, we've got 6 items, so we're trying to be a little bit careful because we want to try, what we want to try. But let's see what there is here. There's the pretzel house. Oh, that's cute. Six Flags. Cheers. What do you give your massive pretzel and cheese? 2 thumbs up? Very good.
Yeah, it's good.
We also got this mug with the green cup. That lasts you all year. It was like around $20, right, babe?
16.
Yeah, I mean, it lasts you all year. We used our season pass to get a discount, but absolutely amazing. 2 thumbs up.
Bratwurst good.
It's very good, and I put mustard and cheese on it. It's that sauerkraut. It's very, very good. And so we've used 3 of our little stamps. We're about to go get our beer, which I can't wait for. Gonk, gonk. But yeah, so far, excellent. The entertainment has started, so we're going to go get some coverage of that for you guys. And then obviously the beer tapping ceremony is going to be pretty fun too, I think. already took a sip and his beer got on my... the loveliness of marriage. So actually, legally, we're in a domestic partnership, so I legally have his last name. But we're getting married, like religious married, I guess you'd call it.
Ceremonial marriage.
Ceremonial married instead of just like legally married. In 2025, and it's between Disneyland and
Cruise.
a Disney cruise. It's definitely going to be Disney, but honestly, like when we started looking at pricing and getting married on a ship, which is his dream, so I kind of want to do that for you, boo boo, is so much cheaper than doing it at the parks. But it's just getting our family and friends on the boat.
Yeah.
Is the problem. This is good. Back to Oktoberfest. This is mine's apple orchard.
Angry.
I'm sorry. Angry Orchard apple cider.
And this is the Sudwerk from Davis. It's the Amber Marzen.
Yeah, pretty good.
Davis,
Very
California.
And we will say that $60 deal, honey, can you lift my little thing up and show? This thing right here is so worth it. We've already spent it, and we still have 3 items left. Anyway. Go, baby. You ready for the beer tapping ceremony?
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's hear it for the marvelous Deutsch Oktoberfest Trio! Welcome citizens and visitors of Six Flags. Today is an amazing day because we are here to celebrate the most amazing time of year, Oktoberfest! Now, when I say the word Oktoberfest, what are the first things that are coming into your mind?
Beer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I want you to raise your steins to the air, and if you do not have a stein, get a stein. And if you are not going to get a stein, you must playhouse pretend that you have stein. I close it, take it, Shuha! Zig-zag,
Okay, we're riding Boomerang. Let's see what this is all about. Oh my gosh, look at that climb.
Looks like it's short and sweet.
They are currently backwards. So what did you say? You go up backwards.
And then you go up that way and then come back. It goes this way, and there, and then it goes back.
Oh my gosh. Wow. We are in the DC area. Everybody is trying to decide between Batman, Superman, and the Joker. No, that's not the Joker. That's Batman. I'm mixed up. That's Superman, and that's the Joker.
saying hi. Hi. Hello. How are you? Look at his blue. Oh, is that blue? No, it's white.
His name is Vader.
Hi, Vader. How cute.